5-axis machining is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of a computer-controlled machine to produce complex parts and components. This process involves the use of a cutting tool that moves along 5 different axes, allowing for greater precision and accuracy in the manufacturing process. The machine is capable of producing parts with intricate shapes and designs, making it an ideal solution for industries such as aerospace, automotive, and medical. The 5-axis machining process is highly efficient and can produce parts at a faster rate than traditional machining methods. This is due to the fact that the machine is able to perform multiple operations in a single setup, reducing the need for manual intervention and increasing productivity. Additionally, the process is highly accurate, with the machine able to produce parts with tolerances as low as 0.0005 inches. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom parts and components for a variety of industries. The company has extensive experience in the use of 5-axis machining and has invested in state-of-the-art equipment to ensure that they are able to provide their customers with the highest quality products. By utilizing this technology, Berkness Company is able to produce parts with greater precision and accuracy, while also reducing lead times and costs. If you are interested in learning more about 5-axis machining and how it can benefit your business, we encourage you to visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. Our team of experts is available to answer any questions you may have and can provide you with a quote for your specific project. With our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, you can trust that Berkness Company will deliver the results you need to succeed in today's competitive marketplace. FAQs. 1. What is 5-axis machining and how does it work in manufacturing? 5-axis machining is a type of CNC, computer numerical control, machining that involves cutting and shaping materials using a rotating tool that moves along 5 different axes. This allows for greater precision and flexibility in manufacturing complex parts and components. The 5 axes refer to the X, Y, and Z axes, which control the movement of the tool in 3 dimensions, as well as the A and B axes, which control the rotation of the tool around 2 additional axes. 2. What are the advantages of 5-axis machining over other types of machining? One of the main advantages of 5-axis machining is its ability to produce complex shapes and geometries with high precision and accuracy. This is particularly useful in industries such as aerospace, automotive, and medical device manufacturing, where parts and components often have intricate designs and tight tolerances. Additionally, 5-axis machining can often reduce the need for multiple setups and tool changes, which can save time and increase efficiency in the manufacturing process. 3. What types of materials can be machined using 5-axis technology? 5-axis machining can be used to cut and shape a wide range of materials, including metals, such as aluminum, titanium, and steel, plastics, composites, and even wood. The specific materials that can be machined will depend on factors such as the type of machine being used, the size and complexity of the part, and the desired finish and tolerances. However, in general, 5-axis machining is a versatile and flexible technology that can be applied to many different materials and applications.